Ever miss an important call while working out? Or struggle to track your fitness goals accurately? Worried about missing health alerts during busy days? I used to juggle multiple devices just to stay on track. My phone, a fitness band, even a sleep tracker so inconvenient. Notifications scattered everywhere, battery dying halfway through. That was before I tried the Apple Watch SE3. Check the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon. This smartwatch changed my daily routine completely. Let me show you why it's a game changer. First, the health essentials are next level. Temperature sensing gives deeper insights in the Vitals app. I get a daily sleep score and sleep apnea notifications. It even alerts me if my heart rate is too high or low. I feel reassured knowing my health is being monitored. Battery life? No worries, 18 hours on a single charge. And when I'm in a rush, 15 minutes gets me 8 hours. Charging is almost twice as fast as before. No more waiting around for my watch to power up. The always-on display is a lifesaver. I can check the time or my stats without lifting my wrist. Super convenient during meetings or workouts. Fitness tracking is where SE3 really shines. It tracks my workouts with real-time metrics. Workout Buddy, powered by Apple Intelligence, keeps me motivated. I've never felt more on top of my fitness goals. Whether I'm running, cycling, or just walking, it's all recorded. Staying connected is effortless. I can text, call, listen to music, and use Siri. All from my wrist, whether I'm at home or out. Notifications sync seamlessly with my iPhone. Safety features give me real peace of mind. SE3 detects hard falls or severe car crashes automatically. It can connect me with emergency services instantly. Check-in notifies loved ones when I arrive safely. Perfect for family members, especially kids. You can set up Apple Watch for your kids even without an iPhone. They can call, text, and share their location securely. As a parent, I love this feature for peace of mind. Personalization is endless with SE3. Customize faces and swap bands to match your style. Dozens of faces, colors, and materials to choose from. I switch bands for workouts, work, and weekends. The Starlight aluminum case looks sleek and modern. The Sport Band is comfortable all day, even during workouts. Water resistance means I don't worry about rain or sweat. I wear it swimming and it handles everything. Let me show you how easy it is to use. Just raise your wrist to wake the display or don't, it's always on. Swipe to view your rings, heart rate, or notifications. Start a workout with a tap, see your stats in real time. Check your sleep score in the morning for insights. Get gentle alerts for irregular heart rhythms. Quickly reply to texts or answer calls hands-free. Use Siri for reminders or quick questions anytime. Charging is simple, just snap it on the charger. 15 minutes later, I'm ready for another 8 hours. No more stressing over battery life. Results? I feel healthier, more connected, and organized. I never miss a beat, literally or figuratively. My workouts are more effective and fun. I sleep better knowing my health is being tracked. Family members feel safer with check-in and emergency alerts. And I love expressing my style every day. If you want a reliable, stylish smartwatch, SE3 is it. Perfect for fitness lovers, tech fans, and families. It's more than a watch, it's a daily essential. Ready to upgrade your routine? Check the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon. Try the Apple Watch SE3 today. Experience smarter health, fitness, and connection. Trust me, you'll wonder how you lived without it.